Hello, traders. FS Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 15th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, it's been a pretty slow go so far on the euro dollar. Some of the other dollar pairs are definitely moving, but euro dollar kind of slow going. This move down right here looks kind of corrective. I was talking today originally about how this could already be an ABC correction, but to me, there's a few things wrong with that. One is this is potentially five waves up, and this is potentially turning into one, two, three waves down. Makes me think that we're going to turn into more of a complex pattern. This is going to drag out for another day or so. Like this would be the A, and then this would be an A of B. This would be a B of B, and then it goes up and takes out these highs for a wave C of B, and that's some sort of a regular flat or whatever for the wave B, and then potentially down to like the 50 or the 61% for a bigger wave C. That seems like it's very much more likely, but if it does turn, I think it would be worth taking along just in case it does just keep on trending up, because we are definitely in a very strong uptrend on literally every single higher time frame. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.